Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I just got up today and we got a little unboxing for you guys. Actually, a new orange label SB is hitting skate shops this week, so make sure you guys get ready, check yours. Maybe they've already dropped them, I don't know. But my local did, so today what we got is we're going to be getting into the new University Blue Gum orange label SBs. Man, these are nice in hand. I'm going to give you all a little bit of a better look in a second. Actually, I'll just take one out of the box, and yeah, these are very, very clean. So we'll get into it, everything about them in a second, and let's just dive into it. If y'all want more sneaker content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. And again, let's just trying to 300 likes in this video. That's a normal goal we always shoot for. So if we can do that, that'd be great. If we hit it, that'd be cool. If not, it's not the end of the world. And leave your thoughts on the sneaker down below in the comments. I'm interested to hear. And also in the pinned comment, make sure you guys check out my Instagram. Got tons of stuff for sale on my story, along with us at Resell Vision down below if you guys want to see some of those undermarket sneakers we've been doing recently. Been doing the metallic vibes undermarket. We will continue to do those throughout this week since we know this is a very hype pair that a lot of people want to get their hands on. And yeah, it was a little bit harder to cop this morning on sneakers. I believe, just based off the stock numbers we saw, GS pairs are definitely going to be going up in price. I will make a video on that 100%. That's going to be a really good hold. So again, that's all off topic, but you can check it all in the pinned comment. Really, some really good stuff there that can benefit you. And yeah, let's just get started. So this is my personal size 9. I just decided to go out the way. And you know, this is a pair that I like. You know, I'm from North Carolina, so the UNC blue, you know, it works for me. You know what I mean? And yeah, honestly, it's just a super wearable sneaker too. When you take a look at these in a sec, you'll understand why. But yeah, just normal orange label box. I showed you all this in the intro, but y'all can see that right there. Don't really need that right now. Just need the sneaker for you guys. So, sorry. I was out the video shot for like 15 seconds there. I was taking these out the box. But what we got right here is the University Blue orange label SBs. And again, very, very clean in hand. I'm a big fan of how these look. Hopefully that's focusing a bit. We can also just bring it up closer, and you guys can see, hopefully I'll be able to focus the camera there. There we go. So you guys can see it's kind of a suede material right there in the center of the sneaker, along with on the toe box. You can see it's a slightly different tone, but it all fits together very, very well in the sneaker. Like you can see when you just take a look right there, it all matches and sets together really well. So nothing is really thrown off, right? So hopefully that makes sense, and you all can see there's like another glimpse. A little bit more up close, as y'all can see, but very, very nice in hand. I'm impressed. But normal orange label SB, you know what I mean? We've had the gray gums, we've had the black gums, we've had the white gums, we've had so many I can't even name them all. Red gums, navy gums. There's probably a couple I'm forgetting in there, right? But yeah, you guys can see right there by the heel, just kind of that night Nike font right there. I think that works perfectly. Sets off the blue really well, especially since you have a Nike swoosh that is white as well, so you can see it just kind of matches together. So I thought that's pretty nice, and the midsole is also white, so there you go. And actually, when I show you all the soles, that's white. The extra laces are white. The insoles, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of different parts where that matches, right? But we're not going to go through every single part of the sneaker that's white, right? White on a sneaker is very, very normal. I mean, they got to start somewhere, add the color, you know what I mean? So aside from that, and me ranting about stuff that does not matter, I do that a lot. Y'all can see what we got on the tongue tag right there. So you just see it just says Nike SB and it has that orange label, orange swoosh right there. And again, these are clean. The prices right now, people are sleeping on these. I'm going to say that. These going for like, okay, let me say one thing. These going for 130 to 150 bucks right now is absolutely crazy. I'm definitely going out the way and getting a couple of the big sizes, some 11s, 12s, 13s, because it's still an orange label SB. It's not going to hit sneakers probably. Like, just think about that. It's only going to hit your local skate shop maybe once or twice. I don't think they're going to restock them a bunch, but you know what I mean? I'm willing to take a risk, or take the risk on a couple big sizes, you know, maybe for retail price, because I know they got a couple more drops on the way online, things like that. But, you know, they're not going to be a lot, you know what I mean? So I just think people are letting these go for cheap right now, especially considering how nice of a pair it is, and seeing what some of those other orange label SBs go for. The navy gums in big sizes now go for like 200 bucks. The gray gum SBs in almost all sizes, aside from size 9. Again, this is my personal, so I don't really care what it flips for, but, you know, all those go for like 200 plus. So I'm just saying, a very, very wearable sneaker right here that people are letting go for absolutely the low right now. And again, it's not one of those ones that's going to be hitting sneakers. I just think it's being overshadowed by a lot of releases right now. Red ones, metallic vibes. I mean, those are the only two I really need to name right there to let you know people are going to focus on more than these right here. But I'm just letting you know, I'm probably going to be looking for a couple 13s, 12s, 11s, because I think they could probably do well over time, considering that they'll probably just hit your local skate shop once or twice. They'll probably sell out, and that'll be it. They're not going to hit sneakers. I don't see that happening. Orange label SBs normally do not hit sneakers, so keep that in mind. But that's all discussing the resale. I was going to do that later in the video. I got into it now instead, I guess, right? But you guys can see this nice UNC blue or university blue laces that they're deciding to go with. Man, I mean, these are clean. These are clean. And I'm definitely getting a couple of these because I live in North Carolina, so I'm going to have buyers for these like 24/7, you know what I mean? I still got DMs to get back to about these. And yeah, if you need a pair, hit me up. I got quite a few available. But also, another part of the sneakers, y'all can see the gum bottoms right there. You can see it just has that white center portion right there, just Nike SB is what it says. So, yeah, pretty cool, pretty nice. And, you know, little white extra laces. Those would look pretty nice in the sneaker. I actually think those would work pretty well. But honestly, if you want, like, my opinion, what I would do, I would just wear these with the blue laces. Like, if you're going with, you know, the blue theme, like, you know, just rock them with the blue laces. Like, that's my personal opinion. Obviously, if you want to switch it up, rock it with the white laces, do that. You know what I mean? But for me, it's like, you're going with, like, a mostly blue theme shoe. Like, you know, the laces match perfectly. Like, yeah, I'm gonna just take the matching laces. But you know what I mean? Maybe I'm just being basic. You know, y'all can roast me in the comments, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's how I'm feeling about this sneaker, man. These are very, very nice. And I feel like the prices on the market right now are disrespect. Or maybe I'm misinformed. But I didn't see a lot of stock of these at my skate shop even. You know what I mean? Like, I was asking for my size 9. They were like, yeah, you came at the right time type thing. You know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know. Maybe they have decent stock of these. I'll go check in a couple days. So they still got them. That'll probably let me know. Okay, you know, these maybe be a little bit easier to cop than some of those past orange label SBs. And some of those past ones did drop at, you know, a little bit more of a peak time for the SB hype. But I mean, these are also just very wearable, and wearable shoes tend to do well over time. It's on a popular SB model, right? It's, again, not going to be hitting sneakers most likely, considering it is an orange label SB, and they normally do not drop them on sneakers, just at orange label SB shops. So check if your, you know, skate shop is getting them, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's what I can say. It's not one that, like, has a massive amount of pairs out there, especially in the larger sizes. So for me, I'm looking for some 12s. I'm looking for some 13s today. Only if I can get them for like retail, like 140, 150. I'm not even looking to pay more than that. Even 150, I'm not looking to pay. But you know what I mean? I'm just looking to get them at retail. But, you know, we'll see what I can do. But aside from just discussing the resale, because really, for this sneaker, who cares? You know what I mean? I think it'll do well over time. Like, I think most of us can, like, know that. Like, just look at how university blue sneakers do over time. Most of them go up in price. So, especially if it's on a hype model. UNC 4s, UNC Dunk Lows when they first dropped. I mean, these, when they first dropped, you know, I imagine that they will start heading up soon. Not, well, let me slow down a little bit. In the larger sizes, 11 plus. But smaller sizes, it's going to be a bit, you know what I mean? Size 9 is not going to be going up in price anytime soon. You know what I mean? But I'm just glad I got mine. I'm probably going to be toning these. We might make an on-feet video. We will see. But yeah, you know, if I end up feeling these in the next couple weeks, I will make an on-feet video. And let me know in the comments. If I see enough of y'all dropping some comments saying, Tristan, make an on-feet video, then I will. You know what I mean? I'll post it on my Instagram. I'll post it here. Kind of like I did for the Wizard of Oz. But, you know what I mean? I need at least like 10 of y'all. You know what I mean? Because this is one of those pairs I really like. Almost to the point where I'd like put it back here for like the video type thing. But yeah, you know, I'll also like eventually want to wear them. You know what I mean? It's just I gotta sell a couple pairs before I do that. And I told you I was taking a break on personals for a little bit. You know what I mean? I decided until March, right? Because there's some sneakers from February that I want, so I'll come back to those. But I'm taking a break on personals right now. But if I see 10 of y'all dropping that comment saying, "Hey Tristan, make that on-feet review," I'll do it. I'll break the rule. You know, only if you guys want it. Whatever. You know what I mean? It doesn't even matter too much. We will see what y'all feeling. And if I end up deciding that I want to wear them, I'll wear them. But that's it, guys. If y'all want more content like this, sorry for the somewhat messy outro. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, let's just try and hit 300 likes on this video. It's a normal goal we shoot for. You can check me out. My ID's down below. Us at Resale Vision. I'm not going to pop up anything in the screen, I don't think. It's all in the pinned comment, though. If you like the undermarket sneakers we do every single day, early information we provide, we ping you for releases, anything like that. So you won't be missing out on those drops and restocks, things like that, letting you know when stuff's hitting skate shops. And yeah, make sure you check your local for these, man. Do not miss out. And you can also check us in the pinned comment. Start getting some of those undermarket sneakers, man. Do not miss out. And let me know, would you cop the University Blue Gum SBs? For me, those are a cop every day. I mean, these, especially once you see the suede in the toe box, you know that this is the type of shoe that could do well over time. So for me, and also the type of shoe you could just wear every day. Those are the types of sneakers, man, that I like holding. The ones that you could wear every day. Just everyday shoes that, you know, almost anyone would like. You know what I mean? So for me, again, I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna probably get a couple big sizes to see what happens. But you know, I might wait a couple days, let the prices drop a little bit more, let them settle a little bit more, and then I'll go out the way and make my move. But you know, it's one I have time on, so I'm not rushing it. I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow and catch y'all then. I think it's like 9:58 right now, so let's see if I caught the metallic vibes. I'll let y'all know in the next video. Peace.